Chery, the Chinese automaker, is making a bold move by establishing its first manufacturing site in Europe, specifically in Spain. This decision is part of the company's ambitious plan to introduce 3 brands in Europe and launch 3 new models for each brand by 2026. Despite the slow uptake of electric vehicles in Spain, Chery is set to launch its first EV, the Omoda 5 EV, in Germany by the first half of this year. The company is also planning to produce combustion engine, hybrid, and electric vehicles in Spain, aiming to utilize the former Nissan plant for production. Chery's move is expected to bring back at least some of those jobs, providing a much-needed boost to the local economy. Chery's expansion plans are not limited to Europe, as Chinese automakers like MG, BYD, and Chery are also exploring opportunities in other regions, including Mexico and North America. Chery's foray into the European market and its strategic approach to manufacturing both traditional and electric vehicles reflect the evolving landscape of the automotive industry, with a focus on adapting to diverse market demands.